Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore custom domain SSL with Cloudflare for eCommerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your custom domain SSL with Cloudflare for your eCommerce site, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Select the domain for which you want to restore the SSL certificate. Navigate to the SSL/TLS section in the dashboard. Check the current status of your SSL/TLS certificate. If your SSL status shows as disabled or flexible, you'll need to change it to full or full, strict, for better security. In the SSL/TLS dropdown, choose either full or full, strict. Next, scroll down to the Automatic HTTPS Rewrites section. Enable Automatic HTTPS Rewrites if it's not already activated. This feature helps ensure that all your links will redirect to HTTPS. Now, go to the Edge Certificates tab within the SSL/TLS settings. Check if the Universal SSL certificate is enabled. If it's not enabled, toggle the switch to activate it. Wait for a few moments as Cloudflare generates and installs your SSL certificate. Once the certificate is active, scroll down to the Always Use HTTPS section. Enable this option to ensure that all traffic to your site uses HTTPS encryption. Now, head over to your web server's settings. Make sure your server is configured to support HTTPS. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, install an SSL plugin to assist in this setup. Now, clear your Cloudflare cache to make sure the new settings are applied. Go to the caching section in your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the option to clear the cache. After clearing, go to the DNS settings section. Confirm that your DNS records are set to proxied, indicated by an orange cloud. Test your website by entering your custom domain in the browser. Check that it redirects to HTTPS and that the SSL certificate is valid. Use an online SSL checker to confirm that your SSL certificate is correctly installed. If everything looks good, your custom domain SSL should now be restored and active. Monitor your site to ensure that there are no SSL-related issues in the coming days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.